The after school activities, so many activities. They are not free though. For some schools maybe they are, but kids after
affordable.
School, completely affordable. You have cooking, you have fashion where they can build their own clothing. You have music, you have sports, all types, you name it. What else? They have drawing, painting,
everything.
And during the weekends they have the coder dojo, the NGO, the guys, the coders who come for small cities here. They put the kids together twice a month, right? The kids, they take their laptop to the classes and they learn how to code games.
And they start from 5 years old.
5 years old, as long as they read already, because they are given the methodology, the kids, the instructions on how to build the games, and they go straight to the computer. So it's amazing, right? So first time that we went there, I loved because the teacher, it was just two teachers for 25 kids or so,
They stay only around. If the kid needs something, they ask.
So they throw the paper at the kid, and the laptop, it's with you now. Yeah. And that's how it should be, right? I learned how to code this way, and the kids, they are still because there's no other way, once you read and execute there, you look around, it's only you. So amazing, right? So again, we do this here to encourage you, because when you are away from these places here, when you are away from Europe, and then you only hear people saying that things are great and amazing here, but you never know the specifics. You never know things like that from your day-to-day stuff. I always say that this is what makes a country so different. A country in Europe so different than countries in the third world, because it is in the details that they get better professionals, they get better education, they get better transportation. It is in small things, And so if you ever think I won't move because I have 3 kids, 4 kids, you will be better off here than there. You know what I mean? You will bring the kids. They will have free education. You're going to have an affordable work that you will be able to pay for this yearly fee. Your kids will be safe. Your kids will
more quality time.
More quality time with the kids,
we
right?
leave the job at 5:30 maximum is to have your evening to enjoy the kids, your family, whatever.
The point is, don't put the blame on your family. Don't take the decision do not ever take a decision because you're married, so you have a partner, or you have a number of kids. Say, depending on the type of visa that you have, your wife will be able to work, your husband will be able to work as well. Say, it's on you. It's completely on you. The decision, the process that you are taking now to decide whether or not to come to Europe, it's on you. We are here to give you the information because we did that and we survived. And it wasn't so difficult at all. It has been thriving all the time, but it is what it is. It is what you also can do it. Nothing special that we did that you cannot do it yourself.
If you have any specific question, even about the visa that he said now, you can just drop the comment here.
Drop the comments. That's only the episode 2. Each episode we are going to bring a different theme. Today it's about the kids and the school system. Really briefly, right? So if you ever have any more specific question, drop in the comments, drop us an email or something. We will be there for you. All right? We want to encourage you to come.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Bye. Thank you very much. See you next week. See you next week.